Now we have already done one type of a question, that was solution of a system of linear equations by inverse of a matrix. Okay, it was by matrices and we have done by the inverse part. Okay, now we are having solution of system of linear equations by the product of two matrices. Okay, now suppose we are having two matrices A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3, and B is equal to, let it be M1 N1 P1, M2 N2 P2, M3 N3 P3. Suppose these two matrices are given to us and the linear equations are A1x plus B1y plus C1z is equal to D1, A2x plus B2y plus C2z is equal to D2, A3x plus B3y plus C3z is equal to D3. Now these are the equations and these are the two matrices. Okay. Now we have to find the product of the matrices. Now suppose the product of these matrices is AB is equal to KIN. Okay. If AB is equal to KIN, then what to do? Then what we are going to do? We are knowing only this thing, that when AB is equal to BA is equal to identity matrix, then we can find the inverse. That we have already done it. Now how to write this in the matrix form? We are already aware of it, that it will be A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. Then XYZ is equal to D1 D2 D3. Okay. To these linear equations in the matrix form we are going to write this. Now there is A and here A is this one. Okay. So now we are having AX is equal to, now already B is there, so let's write it as a C. Okay. Now we are having AX is equal to C and X is equal to A inverse C. This we have to find for solving the equations. Okay. And what A inverse was? A inverse was 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay. So that was A inverse. Now we want A inverse from that side. Okay. So here now we are having now AB is equal to K identity matrix. Now we want A inverse that side. Okay. So what we are going to do? We are multiplying by A inverse to both the sides. Okay. We are having now A inverse AB is equal to K A inverse with identity matrix. Is it okay? So now what A inverse is? Now this becomes identity matrix. Now what A inverse is? It is 1 upon K with B. This becomes A inverse. Okay. So now here we are not going to get any type of cofactors, any type of transpose of the cofactors, means we don't want any adjoint. Okay. So final answer will be, we will be having, finally we are going to put it, X is equal to 1 upon K with B and with this C. Okay. What is B? B is this part. What is C? C is D1, D2, D3. Solve it, you will get the answer. Means for this part, if it is written, find the solution for the linear equations using product of two matrices, then we have to follow this one. Okay. And now if suppose it is given, sometime what happens, the question comes in the board exam for 6 marks and students are opting now that solve the question, find the product of A and B and solve the linear equations. What they are doing? First of all, they are finding the product, then they are writing the linear equations in this form, and then they are going for the cofactors and all these things, means wasting lot of time. So this is totally a different method to solve it. Okay.